of 60 minutes. We will now be discussing about How to Face the Media by Mr. Swaminathan. I would like to introduce Sir. He is a publisher of Chef Bharat, a news portal launched recently for the Indian chef community. He also works as an editorial consultant for various media outlets in retail, FMCG, textile, media, and entertainment and technology. He has close to 10 years of working experience as a media professional in Chennai, Bengaluru, and Mumbai. He is an alumnus of the Media Sciences Department from the CEG campus of Anna University, other than holding a bachelor's in visual communication from the University of Madras. Without further ado, I would like to call upon Sir for his lecture.
IT? Cool. So anyway, to be more specific, IT, I am tracking technology for the past 9 years. I contribute to publications like DataQuest, PCQuest, Cell Professional for the past 9 years. For the past 4 years, I am consulting. I am working as an editorial consultant for various media houses. 2 months before I became a publisher, I wanted to start something on my own. So I started something for the chef community. I wanted some C-school students, that is some catering college students would be there. Unfortunately, that's not there, but anyway, IT is even more closer to me. So, how many of you have an extra skill other than your regular profession? What is this?
I explain like
Okay. So, we will discuss. I want it to be more of an interactive session rather than being me speaking and thing. If you have any doubts or something, you can raise your hands. So, I have created this PPT keeping the chef community in my mind. Probably law college students can apply it for their industry, IT students can apply it for their industry. Okay. So, let's go through the session and feel free to discuss with me for anything. So these are all the celebrity chefs we see. Celebrity chefs are the people who go, even it doesn't mean that they are the most talented chefs or something. They become a celebrity only because of media attention. So media attention is something which can turn you overnight. So you may have noticed many people who are all TikTok celebrities, people who are all, there are many TikTok celebrities and people who are all media campaigners. Celebrities. So these things will happen only because when you get into a media attention. So to go further on media, so this is the social media attention. You want like to be on the front page of any media house, or if you want to become a celebrity or anything, whatever in your field. For example, IT industry students, you might want to look at yourself as a chief information officer in 10 years or 15 years. That is the maximum. Law students, they might look at like how the law industry, you want to write a book on law, what are the cases. So these are all the media other than the regular traditional media, newspaper, TV channels and radio. These are all the other medias where you have. How many people are very active in social media? Who are not active in social media or who are not present in any of the social media? Anybody is there? Okay. So even WhatsApp is also a social media. So a typical example I will give you for your easy understanding. What does interest the people when you do something? A simple example is like when you update your WhatsApp status, checking the WhatsApp stories which is called. So you may notice that trend people request, like someone updates some selfie, so your friends will be updating. So someone will be updating something on a general code. People who are all of their interest will be updating. You put something on your relationship status. Everybody will be keep on asking you what is this, what is that, something. So you have to be very clear whatever you want to be in media, whenever you want to be in media. It should be of a common interest for everybody. That's something when you engage with another person. What would be the most interesting is you have to engage with them. Whatever you say, that should be liked by the other person. It doesn't happen with everywhere. For example, if you interact with someone of the elder age, you have to speak some content which is of their interest. When you speak with the kids, you have to speak with something of their interest which so have to engage them. So when it comes to media, you have to speak something or you have to have some qualities which should be an interest for everybody. For example, something I speak about orange, that will be an interest for people from Nagpur. Whereas orange, which is something which, if you take some people from Bhopal, they see orange as something else different. So So every 30 kilometers the news value changes. So this is the Facebook statistics of India. How many people have gone in Facebook? So for your good or bad, you have to be in Facebook for no reason. How many people have a LinkedIn account here? Surprising. So not till now. But why do you think that LinkedIn is not important for you?
We do not have the lack of qualification.
That is again another misconception. My first suggestion is everybody should start a LinkedIn page. For example, when we were studying, there was no platform to go and ask for internships. We just go there, we just stand in front of the security will send us out. But now, you can find out who is the HR manager in one particular organization. If you are looking for an internship. Earlier, you have to just go, you have a blind idea. Now, at least you will know who is there in this. At least you can have their email ID. You can send right from the internship stages. It will help you. So my suggestion for all of you students is start a LinkedIn page. Either you are present in Instagram or Twitter, that is secondary. My suggestion is please start a LinkedIn page. Even there you mention a student, that's okay, fine. You mention whatever role you play in terms of organizer of this committee, organizer of that committee, you are a class representative, you got so much marks in that. But please build your professional social network site. So you have to mention your organization name, which school did you study, where did you study. You take your feedback from your teachers. There is an option where people can give you testimonials. Ask your teachers to write about you. They will all be present in LinkedIn. Ask their teachers to write. So the moment you get out of your college, you will be very blank. You have no idea where to go, where to search a job. But if you are in LinkedIn, LinkedIn will definitely help you get a first-hand job. At least to entry level, you will have a better understanding of what it is. So moving forward, so this is what newsworthiness means. For example, law college students write an article about what is the trending topic which is now, probably from the law college student, from a law perspective.
IPC, new event in IPC.
IPC, and probably one more thing is about the women's safety. So if someone is going to interact something on women's safety, that will grab the media attention now. Probably you guys can start writing on how when you get into the judicial system can bring some changes over this. Probably Article 370, all the perspective. For example, IT. So most happening is artificial intelligence is the one which everybody will be, and cloud computing. So is it possible to get on a cloud, everything 100% on cloud, is it possible, or even today we need a physical storage? So those things will be on a different, and robotics. Now every bank, if you going to notice, the banks there will be no banks, but we will be still doing banking. How many of you do banking without going to banks? See. This is going to be the future. So if you are going to write something on those lines, that will be an interest. So how many of you use Paytm or PhonePe? See? So you have to speak on these traditional ways how people are changing. So these should be the thing. And timeliness. See, for example, women's safety again coming. After 3 months or 4 months, if you are going to speak about women's safety, people will not have an interest. So if you want to write an article in a magazine, or if you want to grab the attention of media, you should speak, or you should, even if it is a Facebook post, or you are doing some article, you should speak on current topics. So how many of you have the habit of reading a newspaper every day? Good? Probably good. So if you notice the newspaper, that doesn't mean that you have to everyday news, but you have to be present in the current scenario. What is going on? What are the current affairs happening here? So you cannot tell that, okay, I am this part of the country, only Nagpur interests me. You should have an overall perspective what is going on. For example, a factory that is coming in Bhopal, that could be an interest for all of you people, because if a factory is getting constructed today, 3 to 4 years down the line, it means that they are going to recruit the people. So you should look at how, okay, fine, I am reading this news, okay, this factory is coming here. They might be needing people to apply. They might be needing a legal advisors. What are the electrical people also there, right? So there might be a spare part components will also be required. So when there is a factory is coming, there will be 200 to 300 different people people associated with me. For example, let's imagine BHEL as a factory. So for one BHEL factory, there will be 300 to 400 ancillary units will be present there. So a news which is about a factory somewhere is coming up. It's a news for all of you, which means that you are going to get an employment or something. So till now you have read news as something as okay, news is news. Now you have to relate how it is going to help you out. So that is the advantage. When you read some news, you see some person is there. Just search for his name in LinkedIn. Go apply and don't bother about whether he will like me or not, whether he will accept or not, something like that. You just go apply for wherever you are. Which year are you all in? Are you all in? First year. Okay, you still have a time. So this you can use it for your internship purpose. Internship is very important because at this point of time you all will think that okay fine, I am in internship. After finishing the internship I will have to go to the college. So that is nothing. But imagine internship as your career. You just finished your college, you came out, you are on internship, so you cannot go back to your college. Consider this as a job. So when you do that, you will always be serious about what you are doing. So internship is the best opportunity where you can network with people. These are all the some qualities which media professionals have, which we always impart to others also to develop that. So imagine if someone is a good writer, anybody writes or anybody dances, any extracurricular activities, anybody is there? What do you do?
Editing and photography.
Editing and photography. So right now from this say, you should start looking at what all the photography specific magazines are there. What are all the avenues where you can. You should start taking photos, not just whatever it is. That is what it is, human interest or novelty. So if you are a good cook or if you are a good photographer, a media house will obviously expect whenever you do something different. For example, everybody is taking a photograph of Modi ji and someone is speaking. You should probably look at a photograph where Modi is shouting at his security guard. I'm not against Modi or something, I'm just telling you some example. Everybody is focusing on one angle, you should be focusing on another angle. Or someone is a good artist or literature. Everybody writes or paints about something unique, like similar ways of stereotype. But you should be something or somewhere different from the others. That is where people, obviously media will obviously catch you. And I suggest you, are you there in Instagram? Okay, you should start putting on, have a copyright, be more professional, interact with as many as photographers as possible. So when you want to develop your career, which education background you are from? Education?
I'm in science.
Science. BSc or?
No, BTech.
BTech in which division?
IT.
IT. So you can also look at photography, a place where photography and IT comes together. For example, industry photography, you can go and can take pictures of how the cloud computing works, how the servers, how the storage works, how electronic chip component level, how it is manufactured. So always look at how media can be a part of your own curriculum. For example, law students, you can also think about intellectual property rights, how you can look at building a career. So if you guys have any other law college students, I am asking, do you have any other interest or other than your profession? What? Baking and pastry. Okay, so you can see, why don't you create a baking or a food that reflects the current scenario of the industry? So you can do all those things, whatever comes up. And any other questions anybody has? To get into media?
Painting and drawing. Painting and drawing.
Sorry?
Painting and
Painting, okay. So you are a good painter.
I'm not a good, but
But you are an amateur painter. You can start painting, you can start whatever, see for example that same whatever I told him. So everybody paints on same thing. Probably you should look at like what is the other way of painting. So if everybody is focusing on mural painting, you should focus on something like digital painting. So look at something different. If everybody focuses Ramayana on one aspect, you should probably look at in other aspect. Probably look at like how Sita looked at Ramayana from a perspective of Sita. So these are all the smaller aspects where you can get into the media coverage. So media is always looks at something which is unique, which is different. So you yourself have, you might have a lot of hidden characteristics with you, hidden skills with you. Just try to explore everything. And there is nothing wrong in please approach media. Always never shy away from media. Not that people inside the media or people who got the media attention are very skilled and you people are not skilled. So try to look at that. If you are writing something, you should have found something on innovation in terms of robotics, how robotics work, how a ATM without, so now the latest technology in, latest trends in technology, I was visiting Jitex in Dubai, which is one of the biggest. So they are coming up with robotics. When you go to a bank, you just need to interact only with a robot. Very less. And I was there in Gartner also. Gartner is one of the research agencies which tells the technology predictions. Technology is coming as important for everywhere. There cannot be anybody who says that I don't need technology. Every company has to be a technology company. For example, a lawyer says that no, I don't want a technology. He cannot shy away from the technology. They also should have some or other technology where even for example to download a PDF, or they should understand what is the law that for the citizenship bill in Sudan, how to protect Indian citizens who are working there. So to understand this, you should also probably have, and probably if you guys start your own career as an individual consultant for, probably you can develop your own app where people can fix your appointments over the mobile app. So you might need their support also. So I don't mean to say that you should have your own skill set. Probably you should look at other skill sets also. Probably technology should be one area which every one of you should concentrate. And consequence and impact on TV. Anything which is good in visual, it attracts the people who are in the TV industry. For example, you do some good paintings, you do some good photography that looks good. And even if these people, they are bringing some good visual angle for a story. For example, you are interviewing someone, you are, for example, let's imagine an imaginary courtroom where you sit and discuss with courts. So you create a scene, you can have an enacting session with you. So how to get the interest of the people is like you have a discussion, something goes on. So that will be a more of interest. So media always looks at these aspects. Whenever you do something, whenever you want to get a media attention, ensure that these things you keep in mind. There is some newsworthiness in everything. Newsworthy, this is what newsworthy is. So how many people have the quality to write? What do you write about? Poems related. So why don't you start writing for the media houses? So which language you want to write? English. So there is a huge, yesterday people were discussing, there is a huge demand for people who write in regional languages. How many of you could write good in Marathi? Hindi? So if you are wanting to be something or the other way different, always build a capability to look beyond what you are focused on. For example, if you are an engineering student, you can also look at something like, there are many film directors today are all from the engineering background. So always keep building your career based on what you are good at. You might not know what to start. You are in the first year of the college. Start exploring what are all the qualities you have. Never ever shy away from the media. Media never rejects you. Even if one time or the other time, if the media is going to insult you or something, don't worry about that. You keep on developing your qualities, like being into painting. You might be an amateur today, but always remember people who are experts or professionals today were one time amateurs. So start building your career and explore whatever the qualities you have. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts? If you have some doubts with you want to interact. Fine. Thanks for being on the program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Orange City Literature Festival, we sincerely express our gratitude towards your acceptance for the session and knowledge shared with us. Our next session is on trends in housekeeping and hygiene with Ms. Anu Pillai, and we'll be starting by, the time has changed. If you might get updates outside, but the time changed.